Just when the jungle was happy again, the water began to disappear once more.
Don't worry, I'll build a rain machine.
Oh no! Last time he built a toaster that chased me.
Toto spent all day mixing science, magic, and random junk.
Let's see if it also makes coffee.
What did you do?
He sometimes needs a bath. But somehow, it actually worked. It's raining! It's raining!
Why is this cloud stalking me? I'm not even famous! Mission success! Green Valley is alive again!
Thanks to our genius owl. Okay. Sorry for touching your buttons. Even crazy ideas can work if friends believe in you.
The rain stopped, and the tropical pond began to disappear.
Help! My home is turning into a swimming pool for ants!
Don't worry, I'll refill the pond myself.
With what? Air?
After 20 trips, the pond was still thirsty.
I think the pond has a leak. We can build a pipeline from the mountain stream. Or we can just pray for more clouds.
And so, teamwork began once again.
I'm part of the pipeline now. Part of the pipeline now.
It's working! The water's coming! Wait, don't turn it on yet.
I'm the first flying submarine!
Teamwork brings water and laughter to the jungle.